Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about how to buy a puppy as a gift? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to buy a puppy as a gift is www.ebay.com. See the page titled eBay Buying Guides, Electronics, Cars, Fashion. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site realestate.aol.com, especially the page How to, aol.com. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site thechart.blogs.cnn.com. The web page How to Buy Healthy Food on a Tight Budget. The Chart. This is the link.